Come on a trip with me to São Paulo, Brazil. Today, I'm here at Park Trianon to show you its beautiful scenery and environment. This park is situated in the middle of Avenida Paulista, the busiest street in São Paulo. When I first entered, the first thing I saw was how this park was truly built as a haven for all things natural and green. Without further ado, let's take a look. This park was built right on the city center. Next to and below this park are roads and shops full of vibrant culture and people. Thanks for watching.